Ayun! Nabuksan yung cellphone! What the fuck? What? Huwag na naman kayo sa ating... Huwag na naman kayo. Siyempre. Nagpabalik ko naman ako sa inyo, si Markastic, ang gamer ng stick, pero di magaling ay maglalaro tayo ngayon ng Paranormal Incorporated. Yes. Nakalagay dito, after a month of looking for a job, I finally found this job. The job description is simple. I was going to sit by the monitor and report my unusual changes under normal circumstances. I can deal with this paranormal nonsense, but I need the money. Okay, sige, matapang daw tayo dito. And we don't have a cat. Ang sabi dito, we don't have a cat. So, let's go. A young couple with a baby have reported strange happening at home. For some time now, things were moving and disappearing. They haven't been home for a week. Report may abnormal sports company. Mayroon daw ditong mag-asawa na kung saan... Oh, hi! Okay, sige. No, wala tayong nakikita ditong anomaly. And may basta si... Oh. And there are a chair with the blanket like a bullshit. And they have a monitor. And the second is there's something else. Sa isang kwarto guys, meron dito nakalagay. And there a phone. And wala naman nangyayari. And there a mirror. Wala pang nangyayari. Baby. Ang cute naman ni baby, oh. Alauna na pala ng madaling araw dito, guys. Walang ibang nandito maliban sa isang cellphone at wala pa naman akong makikita dito anomalya. At meron lang dito isang computer which is wala naman, diba? Maghihintay ba tayo dito ng 2? Okay, alas 2 na, wala pa rin nangyayari. Pero parang may nakasilip doon sa isang yun. At wala naman nangyayari for now, Ayun! Nabuksan yung cellphone! What the fuck? What the fuck? Ano nangyari? Nabuksan. Lights on off. Door open. Window. Device on. Yes. Send report. Image photo change. Shadows. Drawer open. Cabinet open. Sound noise. Meron na. Anomaly not found. No! May found! Nabuksan yung cellphone. Device on. Yun lang. Yun. Parang ito bangko na to kanina. Nakaharap dun sa kabila. Pero hindi ko natandaan eh. Too many activities anomalies. Saan? Too many anomalous activities. Wala naman Too many activities anomaly. Wala naman ako nakikita. Objective displacement. Objective to the extra objective. Reflection on the mirror. Wala akong nakikita. Nakakaiba dito, guys. Reflection on the parang reflection on the mirrors. Wala akong nakikitang anomaly. So, kapag chinek ko to lahat, yan, check natin. Too many anomalies. Saan? Okay, objective disappear. Parang wala naman ako makita na iba pang anomaly dito. Your shift is ended. Report anomalies. Wala pang kakaiba guys dito. So yun lang, hindi natin natapos. So try kong mag-download ng full version nito guys kasi kailangan pa pala natin ng full version. And yes. Hindi natin nakita yung mga iba pang anomaly dito. And yun, for some reason, gagawa natin ito ng part 2. Sana gawa natin ng part 2. Download tayo ng full version nito. At kung nagustuhan nyo itong video na to, ay mag-iwan na kayo ng like and subscribe. At sa mga sumunod ng videos, ay mag-notify kayo sa mga sumunod ng videos. And this is me again, Marcus Tig. Peace out.